Right, we're making ourselves a classic casserole, perfect for Thanksgiving. We've already pulled that smoked turkey legs. Now we're gonna make the green bean casserole to go in this Thanksgiving casserole, just like you would make every year. Get those French's crispy onions in there too. Alright, get a bunch of pepper in there. Looks good. Y'all, this is for the people who don't want to do a full-on Thanksgiving dinner. The turkey leg was already cooked, already smoked, right? So it has plenty of awesome flavor. We're gonna put it in an 8x8 dish, little Pyrex dish, right? Cover it with this awesome green bean casserole. And then add just a couple more layers to make that beautiful, perfect Thanksgiving dish. Has pretty much all the flavors you're looking for your Thanksgiving dinner with a fraction of the fuss that you'd have to put into it, right? We got our 8x8 Pyrex dish. Let's put our turkey in there. Just use my hands here to spread it all out. Go over the top with the green bean casserole. Y'all comment down below, what's your favorite part of Thanksgiving? What's your favorite dish? And I gotta be honest with you, green bean casserole, straight with the Campbell's mushroom soup and the canned green beans. I'm telling you just can't go wrong. All right, we're going in with the stovetop. We're doing turkey because, you know, it's Thanksgiving. You don't want the other flavors, right? And we're just gonna sprinkle this stuff right over the top. It's gonna give us a nice crunchy flavor, texture. It'll hydrate in there while it's sitting over those that green bean casserole, right? And it'll still give us a nice crunchy layer. And then we're also gonna go in with a little bit of these French fried onions. So we'll have a nice crunchy top. We'll have a nice creamy soft center, right? And we'll have those smoky, luscious bites of turkey all in one dish. All right, y'all, our beautiful casserole's ready to go in the oven. All right, we got it at 350. We're gonna go about 20 minutes or so. The top will get nice and golden brown and crispy, right? But we wanna make sure all the stuff on the bottom's kind of combined and all the good flavors are melding together. Guys, I'm excited. This is gonna be an easy one for your Thanksgiving if you don't wanna put that effort into a full-on Thanksgiving dinner. Listen, Thanksgiving is my Super Bowl, so I go all out, but I'm trying to give you guys ways to, you know, not have to go all out. So let's get this in the oven. I'll see you in a second. Right, we're done. Take a look at it. All this glory, nice and golden brown on top. Got a nice crunchy topping. Let's go ahead and cut into it. This isn't coming out like a piece of cake or whatever. This is gonna be kind of messy. I don't know why I chose to use a spatula for this one. But whatever, you get the gist. Oh, crunchy goodness. With that smoky turkey on the bottom. Oh, that's a hell of a casserole if you ask me. Get all the goodness in the world right there. Definitely gotta get a bite. All right, y'all, time to get into this bad boy. Oh, all the flavors of Thanksgiving I love. So, cheers. Oh, hell yeah. All the flavors, all the textures. This is Thanksgiving right here, baby. Because you know it's good.